So hello everyone and a very good evening to all of you. In today's video, I really want to show and guide all those students who are preparing for NMTC for the very first time. Even if you're in grade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any grade, and you are doing it for the very first time. And as it is just left, 1 month is left, 23rd August 2025 is the exam date. So I'm here with some of the material which I am recommending you that from where you can prepare. So see, main core books of NMTC are these GEMS books, okay? These GEMS books for different grades. All these GEMS books were, published by AMTI, official website of NMTC, right? They launched these books, but unfortunately, from last 2 years, we are not getting the copies of these books, and they're not available on Amazon or market. As I am a trained AMTI teacher, in 2015 or 16, I guess, I went to Chennai and I, stayed in AMTI for 15 days. So I bought all these books from there only, right, at that point of time. Now, even if when they are available for a very short period of time, and they send the books after 15 to 20 days. So at this particular point of time, if you buy these books, obviously you're not going to get it before exams. And frankly, it is not available from last 1.5 months. They have not printed it out for the last 1 year. So obviously these are the very good material, and why these are having two positive points. One is all the previous year questions are there. All the previous year questions are there. And second good point is they are having solutions as well. The questions are having all the solutions in detail. So a beginner will be benefited. But there are two negative points as well. One, the recent papers, the last 5 year, 2020 to 2025 papers are not there in the books because they have not updated the book from last 5 years, and the printed copies are not there, one thing. And the second negative point is that the solution are just available after the question. So if you're doing a question, the solution is just in front of you. So it becomes very difficult for a student to analyze their own performance, because even a very honest student solve the book, they dikh hi jata hai, matlab solution will be visible to the student, right? So it will become less problem solving kind of thing. So what we did, we just concluded these books in a certain material, right, in the format of worksheets and stuff. I do take live batches of NMTC on my website, olympiadschool.in and neharikajayani.com. These both are my websites. I take classes of NMTC live batches there. I share a lot of material with all my students. Tests are there, worksheets are there. So of course those tests and worksheets are the part of a curriculum, so they are paid and everything. So I'm not releasing those material to you. But yes, there are free things like the previous year questions, and a lot of material is free for everyone from our website, for the beginners especially. So we compiled the good questions and previous year questions which are relevant for these years from these books, as well as we compiled the same type of problems, similar type of problems as they asked in the previous year questions, and we compiled certain material free of cost for a lot of students who are just beginning the preparation. Also for those who are thinking that, ma'am, just 1 month is left, what we should, we need to do strategic study, we have to complete number system, algebra, geometry, all these units within 1 month, right? So obviously we cannot do a lot of questions. So it is just a compiled material. It is in the form of spiral, right? Of course, this is the material we provide. See, this is the material we provide to our live batch students, and the tests and worksheets and everything, if I'll combinedly say. So obviously this whole material is not going to come to you, but the important one, strategic one, as we can say, a crash course material for 1 month we have prepared, and we are going to give it to you free of cost. So to get that, you have to do two things. One thing, the number is given in the description, my mobile number. It is also given on the thumbnail. You have to WhatsApp me on this number that your name is this and you are in this grade, and I will send you a link, okay, of my website where you have to sign up. And once you sign up, then I will send the PDF of this material on WhatsApp to you or to your mail ID, right, wherever you prefer. So this thing just you have to do, you have to message me on WhatsApp from your your verified number, and you have to sign in. Once we'll verify that you are a genuine kid, you're verified on our website, and you just pinged us on WhatsApp, we will send the respective class material to you. You are in grade 5, so 5 material will come, 6 material will come. According as per your class, we will send the free PDF to you. This material is available till only till 10th of August, because 23rd August is the exam date. till 10th of August 2025, you'll receive the messages. We are sending it free completely. And the paid, if you want to take the more detailed worksheets or stuff like that, you want, then you can visit our website. There are worksheet and material courses as well, in which you'll get the tests and test series and worksheets there. Now, one more important announcement in this video is that I'm going to start my fresh batch from scratch from 1st of September or 5th of September, I must say, 2025, right? That details of the course I will also share on the WhatsApp. If you will message me, I'll share the course details with you, that on which date and time which grade class will be there. You are in 5th or 6th, so the timing of that particular batch and the days, right? So as it is different for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so I cannot conclude it here, so you have to message me. But yes, we are starting a fresh batch for NMTC for next year, this September only, so that it requires at least 1 year to develop your problem solving skill set, right, for such exams. So we are going, this is the early batch, right? So obviously it will be very beneficial, because the pace will remain not fast. It will be, slowly and steadily. We are going to cover the complete syllabus in the 1 year. So this is for the people who are preparing for the exam for the next year, right? So you can join the live batch. And rest for this year, you need whatever material you need for stage 1 and stage 2, we'll send it to you. Just WhatsApp me for the same. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the live class. Please do subscribe this YouTube channel. I take a lot of free live lectures on YouTube for grade 5 to 10. So please do subscribe this channel, so that you'll get the notification that Neharika ma'am is live and this class is live, so that you can attend the class, right? So do subscribe the channel, like this video, and tell me in the comment section what things you need, what kind of guidance you need. So accordingly, I'll make a video for you and post it on the channel. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next video.